Did somebody say turkey necks? Hey, that's right. This video right here is gonna be a quick tutorial on doing a turkey neck pop. So you tell me, how do you do your pot? So I'm gonna just show you a demonstration of how I do mine. Just adding in my seasons right here. We got the green onions, we got the celery, we got bell peppers. Oh yeah, get it all in the pot there. We got the white onions. Put that in the pot. Just gonna let it all boil, man. Hey, and this right here, with this boiling in a pot together, then we're gonna throw in some heat, some crab boil. Yeah, got the crab boil. We're gonna throw in some more heat, more crab boil. And man, with all of this in the pot together, it smells amazing already. But look, let's go ahead and throw in the star of the show, right? Oh yeah, we're gonna throw in the turkey necks. Turkey necks in the pot. And we're gonna let this boil, man. This is the longest process here, letting the turkey necks get done. I say we're gonna boil them for like approximately 3 hours, you know? Let them boil on high, and then we'll reduce the heat. But in the process of the cooking, we got cornbread going. We got some good old string bangs. Yeah, man, we had to do some side dish action, you know what I mean? Now, back to this pot. We done already added in some corn, some sausage, and potatoes. And look, check this out. Bam! There it is, y'all. A good old turkey neck pot. Man, just look at it. Check it out. And this is real simple. All it takes is time. Your favorite seasonings, your meat, let it go in the pot just till your meat turkey necks get tender. Man, this is simple. Crazy and smash, baby.